With downsizing, selling homes, and adjusting to health concerns, senior living can be a tough adjustment for many, which is why a new locally owned consulting company is offering seniors and their loved ones a step-by-step guide. Joining us now to learn all about Heartland Consulting is President Shelley Sunholm. Good morning, and thank you so much for being here.
Good morning, Janelle. I'm super excited to be here.
We're going to have a great time, Shelley. To start us off here, how did Heartland Senior Consulting come about?
Okay, so I worked in the industry in senior living for several years. And a couple of years ago, my husband and I were chatting, and I said, you know, there really is a need for people to have assistance in navigating the waters, because it is quite daunting. And from there, Heartland Senior Consulting was born. Lime Label did our marketing, or our branding and our logo. Strategy Lab Marketing did our website, and CTV has done an amazing CTV campaign for us. So I'm really excited, and I have to say the phone has been ringing, so I'm really excited.
That's amazing, Shelley. And let's talk a little bit about what kind of services you provide.
Okay, so everybody receives a free consultation. Could be over the phone, in person, whichever, and it could be this much, Janelle, or this much, based on the needs assessment that I do from that phone call. So an example, I received a phone call yesterday from a couple in southern Saskatchewan looking to move to Regina. So that's that. It could be somebody, grandma's in hospital, we need placement ASAP, can you please help us? And that's kind of how it works. And I'm working with realtors. I have a nurse on a retainer to help with healthcare assessments. So we've pretty much covered the gamut in terms of meeting their assessment needs.
Absolutely. It sounds like a lot of great work has gone into this. And with that being said, who is the target audience?
Well, the target audience could be senior couples, senior individuals. It could be their children. It could be their grandchildren. It's anybody helping others navigate those waters of where do you go. When I started in the industry, I always joke, there weren't a lot of options. Now it's like the popular coffee shops. There's one on every corner. So if you don't know the questions to ask, you don't know where to go, I can help you facilitate that process.
Absolutely. And you've got tons of great information, Shelley. So if anybody's looking maybe to get a little bit more information or get in contact, how can they go about doing that?
Okay, so the company is Heartland Senior Consulting, but our website is heartlandconsulting.ca, or you can call me. My phone is open all the time, 306-520-8887. When you're dealing with seniors, especially in a crisis situation, I always say we're not a bank. It's not Monday to Friday, 9 to 5, so you can pretty much reach me anytime.
Absolutely, Shelley. Thank you so much for being here this morning. This is great information.
Thank you, Janelle.
And it's been a pleasure having you as always.
I'm super excited.